Your Roomba is not driving straight. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix this issue. The first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that all the sensors on your Roomba are clean. Sometimes if they are obstructed, the Roomba will think there is an obstacle and it won't move. Then if this does not fix your issue, what you can do is that you can open your Roomba. It's really easy to do. These are very modular and there is only 5 screws at each places, and there is one for the brush. So you take a screwdriver and you remove them, and then you can just remove the brush, and once you went through all the other screws you can just lift this cover right here. Then you will have the 2 wheels. You will need to try to see which one is struggling, which one is not turning. You will see it like depending on how your Roomba move, and then you will need to remove the faulty wheel so we can check if there is any problem with it. I will just for this video I will just remove one of them. You can do the other one by yourself. So once you remove the wheel, what you want to check is this connector right here. You want to be sure that there is no dirt, no corrosion on it, and if there is, you can clean it. You can use a Q-tips if you want with some isopropyl alcohol on it, and it will allow you a good clean. Then what you want to see is you want to check the connector at the bottom of your Roomba right here. It's where the wheel will connect. You also check if there is corrosion right there. If there is, you clean it the same way as the wheel. Then you want to check on the wheel if there is any debris that is preventing it from turning. If there is none, then that means that the problem is not coming from this. And finally, if you cannot find any issue with any of these parts, you probably want to buy another wheel just to make sure that the wheel is working great. Then you replace everything, you put back the screws, and you check if it works. Don't forget to look on both wheels just to make sure that before changing the part, the issue is not coming from the other wheel that you didn't check. I hope that you enjoyed this video and have a nice day.